It starts off 3 circles, and then you blur that out. Hear me out. This is gonna look crazy because we didn't do anything to her mouth. Oh my Lanta, hold up. This worked on one of them. Ooh, I hate myself. I'm trying to convince myself.
And they're laughing at me.
Because it's been so long. So we go like this.
Help me!
I can't do it!
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Rena, and I'm basically continuing where I left off in the last video. It's bothering me that she doesn't have a nose, so I'm just gonna quickly do one. So this video isn't really much of a tutorial, as is more just me messing around, slowly trying to draw this character and losing my mind. So if you want to see me really lose my mind towards that last like 15 minutes, I just, a whole other person took over the whole artwork. But anyways, have fun watching, and make sure to click that like button and subscribe if you find this fun. That could be like that shape. Fallopian tubes. Beautiful fallopian tubes on your face.
Huh?
Wow. Anatomy. Okay, now we go back to that lighter shade. Lord help us. Jesus, take the wheel. Take it. Save this. Do I start saying the Our Father? Jesus. It looks a little scary.
Ow! Jump scare.
It's like it pops and doesn't pop at the same time. It's like a little cute little button nose, but at the same time it's like, what the F is wrong with your face? What happened? What is happening here? Honey, oh my gosh. Honey, what happened to your face? Honey, you poor soul. Oh my Lanta. Oh. Wait now. I think we got it.
Wait a minute.
Do we stop here? I think we stop here. Anyways, if I have a little psychotic meltdown as I make noses, this is normal. This is part of the process, people. You gotta have a little meltdown as you're making these. You're missing it. You're messing up. If you don't have this little psychotic breakdown as you do your art, then what are you doing? Oh Lord, I thought I did not have the blur thingy on for a second. I thought I was getting a little scared. Oh, yes. No. Maybe. I don't know how I feel. It's because it has so much detail. It has so much detail. And then the rest of the face is flat. Can you see that nose? I see that nose. You know what's scary? The mouth. You know what we are going to do? I'll make some lips because, ooh, looking a little scary. She's a little pale, pasty. The thing is with lips, I hate making them with a passion. If you didn't know, now you know. I hate picking shades to make them appropriate. Okay, so we got lips. Okay, so I hate doing lips so much. See how much time is wasted? Mouth outlined. This part here really depends on what shape you're looking for. Now you can either have one lip like this and then go like down and fill in, or if you want a cupid's bow, then you come up like that and round it. And I put a little bit of lighter color in the middle. Give it a bit of dimension. And then you can take a darker shade in the direct center to give it more dimension. You can make a V shape so it makes it look puckered. That's like the simplest version of lips. Anyway, so I had to give her some lips and a nose, but then you would have like a face like this. And now, if you were to try to make the face more detailed, obviously you're gonna need some more shadowing and shading, but that's the gist of how to change their skin tone. But if you're going to continue on to make more details, you just add on to another layer. The next layer does not have to be in, I feel like I spat all over the mic as I said that. The next layer does not have to be in linear burn. It could just be default, and then you can just take the shade that you're using here, and let's say you want to add some more shadowing around her face or her mouth or something like that. So like, let's say this area you want to darken up a bit because you feel like it's just a bit too bright. Don't mind the way I'm doing this right now. This is not how I normally draw. I'm just doing something quick and fast for you guys to follow along with, to understand what I mean. Well, ain't she precious? Now I just made her really dark. That's because I was just changing her whole skin color to suit the nose. That's what's really happening right now. Now you're going to say, Arena, what the hell? Now you're changing the whole artwork. What the hell? You're not even doing the same thing. You're just adding your own thing. And yes, I am right now because I'm just messing around. This is how a true artist works. She just creates and defines where she needs. She sees where's the dimension. Dimensions. But I mean, in reality, this is kind of how you would be working. You kind of just work in sections and kind of just see where the color falls and how, well, at least this is how I work. Let's be real. This is how I work. I don't always work like this, but a lot of the times I get a little pop of inspiration of how different color shading. See, like I like how her forehead's coming in and the light to dark, and it just helps you play around with shadowing and line things up. I want to keep the under eyes a little brighter, so I'm going to keep in that area, but then I'm going to pull in some of this dark color like around the cheekbones here again. And so then I come in here. Boop. Okay, now her face look a little bit more snatched. I feel like she needs a little bit on her nose. Sometimes I work directly on the model itself like this. So I like how there's like a little bit of highlight here on the cheekbones here. That should technically transverse into across the eye line right here. So I know where I want to keep some highlights. Probably pull in some right here, just a tiny bit. And then pull in that darker color, back up again. Oh, you know why it looks super dark and muddy? I took the shadow shade. So like not like this. So I'm gonna make it a little darker. And then blur to the gods. Blur all these together. But if I go like this, a little darker and a little bit closer in, and then drop this English, drop this down. Ooh, it's hard to tell if I like the color or not. I don't like the color. I think it's the lips itself. I think it's not. I don't think it's the color of the lipstick or the lip liner. It's the lips itself. I'm not satisfied with the lips itself. Ooh, it's so annoying. Girlies, help. So much. So much. So much. Anyways, how you add dimension into a face there you have it. I hope you enjoyed my torture. How much I hate lips so much. You know, this would look better with a different eye shape. And every single time I think I'm ending this video, I add something else. So I'm gonna quit right here and start up again. Because, girl, what in the hell is going on with your eyes? I don't like your eye shape. So let's go and select a new eye shape. This turned into a whole other tutorial that I did not plan. So I don't like... Ooh, wait. Is it eyelash? Yeah, I think it's eyelash. Mascara, eyelashes, mascara. Okay, so somehow mascara changes the whole shape. Yes. She's hitting different when she puts that mascara on, though. And let's put on a wig, girl. You need a wig. What are we feeling? Long hair, short hair? Tell me what you think. Yeah, I think so too. Let's see if I have that in my stock here. I mean, we don't actually carry that, but I think you would suit this. How are we feeling? You like the bob? Yeah. You want some strays? Flat. You wanted long. Girleen, I'm not sure about that. Girleen, we're gonna come back to that. Girleen, maybe we can make it work. Hold up, you're talking too fast for me. We've already done this before. We've done this plenty of times. Girleen, I'm not sure if that you can. Ooh, but you could maybe pull this one off. But I feel like we've done that before. Girleen, a little bang, a little peekaboo bang. How about a straight? Ooh, but Girleen, we just did all that work on your forehead. We need to.
Hold up, not the banging, the banging. Oh.
We need a pop. Your hair has to. I like the bangs on you, Girleen, but we gotta. Ooh, I really like the bangs on you, but we gotta. Girleen. Girleen. Now you're being ridiculous. Girleen, come on. I said I wanted to show off that forehead. You have a beautiful forehead. It's not a 5 head. I told you. Be confident in yourself. Girleen. There you go. Fine, we'll go with this one. Pull that shit to the side. Change out your side pieces. Girleen, you want some volume? You want some to shape your face? To shape that jaw, that beautiful jawline. Yes, Girleen. Now, what color are you thinking, Girleen? Girleen, I think you should go with a fiery. We've done that already. Have we? Yes. I think we have done that. How about a a fuchsia, bitch. Girleen. How we feel? Ooh, Girleen. Now you're being a little dull.
Huh?
Back it up.
Mango tear?
Around there, maybe, Girleen. What about blue? Oh my gosh, Girleen. Wow, you crazy like that. You crazy like that? Oh, you crazy like that. Okay, we could try it. How about that highlight though? What's she saying? She's saying this? I mean, she's looking a little dusty, but we can make that work, Girleen. Okay, Girleen. Oh. Don't ask.
Help me!
All right. Back to the eye shape. Woo. I'm losing my mind. See how that changes her whole face? She put on a wig and she's slaying now. She's feeling herself. Ooh, fierce. Girly. For Girleen. Okay, we're going with that one. Can we make it darker though? How about that? Yeah, that Okay, I'm feeling that, Girline. I think we got you. We got you. We got you. We got you. Ooh, you dyed your eyebrows too, Girline. Stunting on their asses. Okay. Eyelashes. Next. Girline's coming out to play. You know, I'm feeling like having some like pop of color in your eyelashes would be fun. But I'm lazy. What about some it's very light. Your irises. I already have some custom made ones. Girline looking anime. Girline got them anime eyes. Girline. Nah, bitch. Go back. Nah, bitch. Go back. You either got A or B. Girly, I kind of like these for some reason. They look a little crazy. Make them a little wider. I feel like your eyes are also really far apart, so maybe we could fix that. Wrong one. Inner. Oop, nope. Oop, bitch, nope. Girline's looking hazy. She's been a little drowsy. There we go. That's what she needed. Some lift. All right, Girline. Losing my mind. Okay, bitch. Highlight is what I wanted to click on. Not that. Not that either. You know what would really help if I, tones down the colors? It's just a bit too bright. Okay. What's a complementary color for this one? How about like green and purple complementary colors? Or do we want to keep it in the oh shit. Oh god, I'm dying. Okay. It's hard to tell until I get it to maybe that like electric blue highlight. I'm kind of hating the highlights right now. Did she do anything? Maybe. I just feel like it's so bright. Like, can we just like make it, tone it down? Golly, gosh dang. I think that's doable. I think we should stop there. Girline, you looking beautiful. I love it. Yes, you know what I don't love? This thing. Get the hell out of here. Get out of here. All right, Girline. Ah, beautiful. Showing off that forehead, not 5 head. 4 head, okay? Yeah. But now, that's how you get some definition, and it works nicely. That's a wrap. Cut.